There's a catamaran that just come in, pick some people up, going on a snorkel and beach party. Just one of the many things that you can do here. I just spotted a submarine there a few minutes ago. I was hoping it was going to swing in here, but it didn't. You can also climb aboard a sub, go for a little tour. It's a costly adventure, but if you're into that, it's well worth the money. And there are lots of people lined up. This and over there. So there's 3 ships in here, and I'd imagine they're probably looking at an influx of about 10,000 people today. So that'll bring some serious money into the area. See these water taxis around, they're blue and yellow. The water is absolutely magnificent. I don't know how deep it is there, but it is clear as a bell. Anyway, those people are going deep sea fishing. Big rods in the back. And we are going to head out now.